You ever look at a pressure washer and wonder what is this little hose for? So this is a soap or detergent hose. I primarily use it for bleach. You can use other treatments, other chemicals, but I almost always use bleach for mold and mildew. And with most pressure washers, when you set it in low pressure mode, it will feed the detergent or bleach into the hose, into the pump, and feed it into the line. And so what I'm going to do here, because this carpet has some mold and mildew, is I'm going to use the low pressure to distribute the bleach and water solution onto the carpet to treat the area, basically where the black discoloration is and the yellow. But I'm also going to do an even coat in case it changes the color. This carpet is just for the shop, so it doesn't matter to me if the color changes. If you are going to do this on a carpet you're using, you're going to want to do a test spot on a scrap or something to see what happens with the bleaching, because it almost always changes the color. But for me, my main concern is getting rid of the mold and mildew. And so I'll put it on, treat it, and let it sit for about a half hour while I go do something else. And then I'll come back, and on high pressure, I'll pressure wash. You have to be careful on high pressure because you might cut right through the carpet. So that's what this little hose is for feeding bleach and other chemicals into the pressure washer. Thanks for checking in.